But anyway, owner says lack of power. He's changed the spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, pickup coil, fuel water separator, anti-siphon valve, blade on the carburetor, clean the flame arrestor. So we do what we do when we get one in a sound like this. We did a diagnostic, which was a compression tech. 150, 148, 145, 145, 30, and 20. And that's on 5 and 6. Now we got water flow. So we're gonna pull the 5 or 6.
This is 5.
5 over there is gone.
This is 6.
And this is 6, which has no change at all.
This is 2.
2. And that's how much it should change.
This is 1.
Okay.
This is 3.
Okay.
This is 4.
And so it's an even drop on those. Go ahead and put the other 2 on and notice there's no change. So that's what happens when you have a 0 and 20 on the back 2 cylinders. All right.